Hi, Roland Banyes, an Adobe Creative Educator Innovator from the Philippines. For years, I've worked with Filipino educators to help them build confidence through creativity, technology, and industry-aligned skills. When we introduced the Adobe Creative Educator program, we're not simply offering another training course or another certificate. We wanted educators to believe that creativity was something they could learn, practice, and bring into the classroom. Many teachers once thought that creativity belonged only to designers and artists. Some were afraid to use unfamiliar tools. Some worried that their work would not be good enough. Others simply believe, I'm not creative. But after creating the first visual lessons, presentations, and videos, something changed. They stopped saying, I'm not creative, and started asking, what else can I create? That simple question, that spark, grew into a nationwide community. Through years of workshops, online learning lessons, and community activities, we have onboarded more than 35,000 Filipinos into the creative learning experience. Up to this day, we continue conducting sessions for educators and learners across the Philippines. But the real impact was never the number of participants or certificates. It was the confidence that came after the training. Teachers began creating more engaging learning experiences. They shared ideas with other educators, experimented with new ways of teaching. Some become mentors, trainers, and creative advocates inside their own schools and communities. The journey was not perfect, but creativity does not begin when everything is ready. It begins when someone decides to try it. This is about what educators will create next. Because every lesson a teacher creates can plant an idea inside a learner's mind. Every idea can become a possibility, and every possibility can become a future that does not exist before. So perhaps the real question is not whether our educators are creative enough. The real question is this: how many possibilities are never discovered? And even one educator is made to believe that they are not creative. One creative educator can change a classroom. One classroom can influence a community. And one community can reshape the future for the entire generation. Your story matters. Because when you find the courage to share your creative spark, someone else might finally find the courage to ignite their own.